This 2021 K-Z Durango 348 BHF is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Ladson, South Carolina, 29456 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Charleston. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used K-Z is 41 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 9, slide-out, and 76 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bath and a half, bunkhouse, front bedroom, kitchen island, outdoor kitchen. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.